back to our channel. It's Liam Boy Dutch-Filipino. Today we'll be doing an unboxing vlog, and with my holiday money I bought something special for myself, and I am upgrading my camera too. So I chose Oppo Reno 2. Stay tuned while I'm unpacking and unboxing this vlogging equipment.
Balloon, Papa. What's that?
Balloon is
Wow. There. It comes with original leather casing, and of course charger, adapter, lightning conductor, and air plugs. And of course the SIM tray opener. That's it, and you have this leaflet with, of course, instruction manual and the specifications of this unit. It comes with full list in different languages. And we will try.
Aisha. Hi, Aisha.
Yeah.
Powered by Android.
Put it. Put up.
Of course, English, regional options, Netherlands, It's asking already to connect to Wi-Fi. I've just connected myself to Wi-Fi in our house, and you just have to accept the terms and condition. Join. Okay, and it's already checking for updates. And this is very handy because it's already asking you to transfer your apps, photos, and contacts from the Google account and more, so you can choose which content to copy. So you just have to for myself, I want to copy it.
A few moments later.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, Liamboy Dutch-Filipino. We are done with unboxing. Now we are trying the camera of this smartphone to give you an idea how sharp, how sharp and how nice the camera of this smartphone is. This is it. I'll also be giving you a short summary of the specification of this unit. Actually, this is 16.5 centimeter or 6.5 inches, and the color is ocean blue, and the battery will last until 39 hours and 15 minutes. And of course, the camera has 48 megapixels. I have chosen for 256 gigabyte for storage, and the RAM memory, right, Rich? The RAM memory is 8 gigabyte. So I think this is enough for small YouTuber, a starter YouTuber. So guys, I will end up this unboxing. And of course a little bit of review of this product. Thank you very much for always watching our videos, and of course for hitting the like button and sharing them with your friends too. And we will see you for our next vlogs. Bye bye.